Oh, cold wise.
Oh, girl, she's...
You gotta blow it. Blow it.
Oh.
What are you doing? Blow it.
Well, we ain't got no trust fund. We ain't got no Sprinter van. All we got is our stinky dog and old man. Hop in the green machine. As someone that's a full-time van lifer, I really want to review this product and let you guys know my thoughts. There are certain things that are a luxury and not a necessity. But from what I've seen, this is a really, really cool tool. Sorry, my hair is like stuck in my gloves. From what I've seen, this is like a tabletop fire pit, and we do a lot of hip camps and a lot of dispersed camping where open fires aren't necessarily welcomed. And this seems like a very contained, clean, easy, instant fire pit.
There we go. Flip around.
First impression, I love that it comes with a carrying case. This, it goes on top with like it's arching upward. That's like the top, I don't know, ring, whatever you want to call it.
So it tells you first thing to do is to unfold the stand legs until they lock into place.
Lock the legs.
Yep. Seems open. Okay.
Okay.
Then it tells you to place the stand on level surface with the black feet facing down.
Yep.
Make sure you're always using the stand whenever you light Mesa to reduce risk of damage to your surface.
Oh yeah, so just so you know, Solo Stove makes giant fire pits for your backyard. They make like pizza ovens. So this is called the Solo Stove Mesa, and they also have this Solo Stove Mesa or Mesa XL. And there's a little grate down here, and then there's some holes to like keep the oxygen flowing.
Well, it says, listen, it says, if you're using pellets with Mesa, always use the pellet adapter. Place your fire starter in the middle of Mesa burner chamber.
Fire starter.
We don't need that little thingy, so yeah. Use a long lighter to light the fire.
Long grill lighter.
Start adding sticks, chunks of wood, and kindling
wood.
slowly. If you just need a piece of this thing.
You just need a piece of fire pit.
Going. It says to start adding sticks, chunks of wood, or kindling. This thing. You told me just to stick it in there. I don't know, but I guess you can. I mean, it'll just make a higher fire. It's okay.
I don't know.
It's not a problem.
Allowed.
What do you mean allowed?
What does it say?
Allowed? Oh my god! Why
it smells really good.
These wood things do, yeah. She normally is not such a rule keeper. I don't know. She's really on the rule keeping thing right now.
No, because it's a review, so I want to use it like it says.
No.
You put the fire starter.
See, that's what I should have done.
Okay, you put the fire starter inside of here, and then set it inside, and then you put the wood pellets around this, and then it creates a more controlled fire.
Also, Pine Mountain fat wood smells really good, by the way.
They have different
smells
scents.
Great. This is a nice one.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss Reggie. We're gonna make our s'mores.
Okay, don't judge me. Miss Reggie sent me some really fancy Greek and German chocolate.
Oh, we ate it.
I ate all of it already.
Before we were able to use this.
I ate it before I was able to film with it. So that should tell you how good that chocolate was.
Very good.
So now I'm back to American Hershey's chocolate.
It'll be fine.
It's fine. And then, of course, we have the Jet giant marshmallows.
Dude,
Andrew's lived in Canada. I've lived in Buffalo, New York. I've lived in Erie, Pennsylvania. We've lived in
a couple places.
climates, but like not in a van, which is, can I just say that's way crazier?
Yeah, it's much colder.
And I'm using, so there is an accessories kit for Solo Stove. It's like over $40. If you're on a budget, these are literally like a couple dollars, if that, for the wooden skewers at the, grocery store. But their kit does have some nice like cleaning tools and some nice like, it's almost like a fondue set to roast things.
I like mine nice and toasty.
Nice
I
and
want
burnt.
to get really, really mushy in the middle.
This is giving off a lot of heat. I was very uncomfortable.
This warms you up.
Yeah, I was very uncomfortable filming this. And
uncomfortable? What do you mean by that?
Like very cold, like uncomfortable, like.
Oh, cold wise.
Oh, girl, she's.
You gotta blow it. Blow it.
Oh.
What are you doing? Blow it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
My skewer.
God damn. Oh, you left it in there to roast. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna get mine nice and hot. Now.
This is very marshmallowy.
I got napkins all over my face.
Oh yeah, you have a beard. Oh no. Oh my god, it's stuck in your beard.
That's gonna be all over. It's gonna be good though.
Oh, put more fire in. Help it.
Not all of it. No, just piece by piece. There you go. That's fire, guys. That's enough. What are you doing?
More.
God, you got crazy with it, baby. That was too much. Okay.
Yeah.
Way too much, but okay.
Okay, so honestly, this is really cute and adorable, and I love it.
That was way too much.
No, it's not.
God damn it.
It's only been a few minutes after. I can touch it. It's not going to burn me. See inside, there's that grate, and it catches all of the ash. Luckily, I have some gravel. Make sure all those embers are out. Pretty easy disassemble. If you're like in a van, you might want a cloth to like wipe everything down, but it still comes with a carrying case to kind of keep everything in there. Goes into this bag.
Sticker.
And zip it up.
Final thoughts.
My final thought is it's adorable. It's very user-friendly. I don't think it's like a camping necessity. I don't think it's a van life necessity, but it did give me a lot of warmth.
Big time.
And it was still a very contained fire where it won't bring too much attention. Thank you so much to Miss Reggie. This is a really cool camping item. Definitely worth it. Like I think it's really cool.
We'll use it.
Oh, for sure. I will keep you guys posted. And Solo Stove, if you guys are out there, I would love to work with you. I think this is a really fascinating product. As a van lifer, obviously, I won't be able to get your larger items, perhaps. They make giant, like there's the Yukon and all kinds of these giant fire pits. There's like a pizza maker. They make a lot of cool stuff. This is just like their little cute baby version. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, don't get bamboozled.
Don't get bamboozled.
Well, we ain't got no trust fund. We ain't got no Sprinter van. All we got is our stinky dog and old man. Hop in the green machine for an adventure. Sing it, Gunner.